Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aquarius, so let's get into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the rest of July 2021. Also, Aquarius, please note that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look into your reading here, Aquarius. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aquarius, I'm getting a very strong air sign, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I'm also getting a very strong fire energy coming up here as well, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And then I've also got earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now let's look into what is going on within yourself here, Aquarius. It's quite interesting because I've got the Ace of Wands, and then I've got the healing light coming up here, as well as the Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like at this point of time here, Aquarius, like from now until the rest of July 2021, more specifically here, I would say during the upcoming full moon energy, you're going to have a lot of significant improvement. You're going to have a lot of significant shift, I would say, here happening within yourself, especially when it comes into your healing journey and into your transformation journey here. With this Ace of Wands energy, the telepathic messages, as well as the overall, I would say here, the sign, the synchronicities, and the messages coming up from your person telepathically is also going to be coming up quite strongly here for you as well here, Aquarius. So I feel like one thing that you need to be focusing on here from now until the rest of July, from now throughout the rest of the month of July 2021, here is that focusing on healing and focusing on your emotion and your feelings. So whenever you're feeling a little bit stressed out, whenever you're feeling a little bit anxious within yourself here, instead of feeding into those thoughts here, Aquarius, pay attention to what are the triggers, or what is the major cause for you to feel that anxiety, to feel that frustration, and overall here to feel that not so good energy within yourself, and then let your emotion guide you towards what you need to heal and towards what you need to let go of here, Aquarius. And then also paying attention to the signs, synchronicities. See, you may not be understanding the messages that you are getting. Let's say, for example, you could dream of something, but you couldn't understand that, but that's okay. One thing that you need to do here is that trusting out your intuition and trusting out your gut feeling here is what I'm getting here, Aquarius. So whenever you get a message, be it sign, be it synchronicities, whatever it might be, even though you don't understand the point of the message, or even though you don't understand what is going on and why are you getting those messages here, you can also like try to write down and then just revisit that after a few weeks later, a few days later, or even like a few months later, because I feel like this is how you are building up your trust. This is how you're building up your confidence level, I would say here, to trust your intuition and to trust your gut feeling is what I'm getting here, Aquarius. And then another thing that I've got coming up for you here is that with this Seven of Pentacles energy, a little bit of patient energy is also something that I'm getting coming up for you. I understand you must have heard of this patient, be patient for quite a while, but I feel like with this Seven of Pentacles energy and the Six of Pentacles energy that I've got coming up here, there is a huge progress that is actually already starting to happening within your life, Aquarius, and overall here within your love and relationship, within your soulmate and twin flame journey here, Aquarius. So I feel like this is where, like with a little bit of patience, you're going to see all of this seed that you've just planted here, Aquarius, is going to come into fruition. And I've also got the Tower energy coming up here. Do not be stressed out, because I can understand people whenever they see a Tower movement, the first instinct here like to get stressed out. But I feel like this Tower movement here is really important, and this is what going to help and going to push you more into your healing and more into your spiritual journey, is what I'm getting here, Aquarius, which is then going to be leading up to the union between you and your person with this Lovers energy coming up here. Now let's look at into your person energy here, Aquarius. I've got the friends and colleagues, and then I've also got the Three of Cups and the Queen of Swords here. Quite interesting. I've also got the Tower movement coming up here as well for your person. So both of your energy are almost coming up at the same level from now until the end of July 2021 here, because with this Tower movement energy, I would say here the next upcoming full moon here, Aquarius, is going to be really significant for you and your partner here, because I feel like this is where the massive transformation, the major transformation, the major shift are actually going to be happening for both of you here. Now let's look at into your person energy here with these friends and colleagues and the Three of Cups. So let me start with this Three of Cups energy. I'm getting a third party situation or a karmic situation coming up here from your person energy here, Aquarius. So there are many possibilities, I would say here, because first of all here with this Queen of Swords energy, I'm getting two major energy. Your person could have some sort of like a family issue, a family upbringing. More specifically here is an issue with their mother, is what I'm getting coming up here, Aquarius. Some of you here, Aquarius, your partner could be in a relationship with someone else, or could be stuck in a certain marriage where there could be a lot of abuse and abusive situation coming up here. Now this particular abuse and abusive marriage or relationship could be something from the past that they haven't healed completely here as well. And then another thing that I've got coming up here is that a toxic friends or toxic circles surrounding themselves here, toxic friend, toxic family members, abusive situation within the inner circle is also another thing that I've got here. So I feel like this is what your person is currently struggling with at this point of time here. They are struggling to break free from this third party situation, from this karmic situation here, which is why I've got the Tower energy coming up here as well, Aquarius. So I feel like this is the main delay or the main challenge that your person is currently going through at this point of time. But with this Ace of Swords energy, this is what I mean. With this Ace of Swords energy coming up here, this is like going to be that aha moment coming up from them, that very strong realization energy is coming up strongly for your person here, Aquarius, because with this healing light energy coming up here, the healing, the upcoming full moon energy here, and a major shift, a major Tower movement is actually happening in their life here, which I feel like you could also be getting the telepathic messages, or just you could be getting that uneasiness feelings coming up to you here as well. But what I'm getting here is that even though that they are currently struggling to break free from this karmic situation, from this third party situation here, eventually they're going to do that, especially this upcoming full moon here, which is going to be contributing to the peace situation within themselves first here on an individual level, and then later on here to the union between both of you here, Aquarius. So that's it for your reading, Aquarius, for the month of July 2021. I hope the reading resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.